I challenge you to find a creepier way to be greeted at the airport. Yo friend, good morning. We're back on that vlog game today. I'm pumped. We're heading to Calgary. It's a flying trip because I've got a workshop tonight. Can't forget to pack the running shoes. These are super important. And look who it is.
There we go.
There it is.
Good stuff. Oh man.
This is the side of the office that I don't normally show on video just because it doesn't look that pleasant.
Like, this is nice. This is good.
See, even you guys don't have lights mounted to your ceiling.
No.
Like, what do you think about my Run with Neistat running challenge?
I think he's at another level. How are you gonna get there, man? How are you gonna get to that?
I don't think I have a proper respect for how insane this challenge actually is yet.
Just go for it, man. Run your ass off. If he drops you, he drops you.
I have to get invited first. That's a whole other thing,
Yeah.
but thanks for driving off the gear.
Dude.
Okay, thanks for the ride. Why don't you like high fives?
Well, because we're married.
Before I go, have you heard of the YouTube trending page? Do you even know what that is?
No.
And just scroll down it.
How far?
Are you even looking at what you're scrolling down?
I think so.
Oh my gosh. It's not that hard to miss.
Oh, right here. Wow. Creator on the rise. Leftcoast.
Whoop, whoop. YouTube trending page, what's up? I don't know how you become a creator on the rise.
Someone noticed.
Because after 3 years of uploading to YouTube fairly regularly, they've decided now that I'm on the rise. So that's good to know that after 3 years,
Watch out.
I'm on the rise. Look out, YouTube, I'm coming for you. And just like that, we are off to Calgary. Okay, I'm here in Calgary because I've got a workshop tonight, and I'm really excited about it. It's at the Camera Store, which some of you might know who the Camera Store is because they have a YouTube channel, the Camera Store TV. I love teaching, and any opportunity where I can just share with people what gets me excited about making videos and all that just is a great opportunity to take. Let's go to the event. Okay, so the people who are actually putting this event on, like paying for everyone to be able to come and attend it for free, is Panasonic Canada. Quick footnote, because I want it to be super clear, I'm not an ambassador or sponsored by any camera manufacturer. I want to be 100% transparent with any brand involvement, because for those of you that trust me for my opinion, you deserve full transparency. In this case, I'm a Panasonic customer. I like their cameras. I will always get behind brands putting money behind education because I believe in it. So Sony, Canon, DJI, if you want adventure film workshops, I'm your guy. Back to the episode. This is the space. Checking the mic, checking the slides. The chairs are nice. Yeah, this chair is good too. Nice work, Evelyn. Got the banners going up. Got the Britney Spears mic going on.
The piece that's missing is that concept of story, this mystical thing that's from the land of Hollywood films, and how can we actually use story to actually say anything at all with our videos? Because oftentimes we don't say anything at all. Oftentimes when we're trying to get into it, we're spending all this time on the 80%. It takes a lot of time to get your head wrapped around technically making videos with cameras. But then if we stop there, the video that you make will fall flat. It'll just be a visual highlight reel that you might have to beg your friends and family to watch. But that 20%, if you just took 20% of your effort and tried to actually say something with your video, if you tried to actually incorporate a story, if you tried to make it about something and communicate it with someone, and keeping in mind, this video is going to be watched by a person.
Okay, so Eric came here. He got a Shimoda bag, and he's asking me to sign it. So this guy, like right there?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm defiling it. That was nerve-wracking.
Oh, that's so awesome.
There's some people left. How did the workshop go? So the workshop actually ended a half hour ago, and we've just been hanging out, having a lot of fun. They've got some great questions, which I love. And I got talking. And I explained to them this whole Casey Neistat running with him idea. What do you guys think about the idea? Thank you guys for coming. So glad to have you. Go make things, please. Wow. That was really special. Yeah, that was something that was incredible. I think tonight was a night that years from now I'll look back on it and I'll remember it. It'll hold a special place in my heart. Tonight feels like we've arrived at a goal that I've had for a long time. And because we've arrived there, it's the start of another new chapter. A chapter that I'm very much looking forward to, which is going to have its own series of events that take place. So I'm very excited to have gotten to this place and where it's going to go next. And I'm very grateful to have you along for the ride. I'm just absolutely thrilled. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video. And remember, life's better when you make stuff. Peace.